y'all. Let me see here. I'm looking at how. Oh, I wonder if you shrink it down. Good evening, everybody. Hey, El Dude. Hey, we on here for 30 minutes today because it is Labor Day, and I'm sure everybody has to go to work tomorrow. So, yes, we are going to be on and off of here. I got some problems that we're going to start with. Solving linear equations. What we talked about last week when we were learning linear equations. Something super simple, nothing too crazy. But now we're going to put everything together. Yeah. What is that? I don't even know what that said. Oh, one of my friends is live. Invite them to go live together. Okay, yeah, so real quick, we're not going to be on here long. We're going to do solving equations with parentheses today. And then we're going to do solving equations with fractions. So, like I said, we're not going to be on. Hey, Robert. Hi, Robert. We're not going to be in here very long. Just popping in for a little bit. It is Labor Day. May not get a lot of people, which is cool with me. But I want to be able to post this later. If I keep it as 30 minutes, then I can put it up as a post. I don't even have to put it on YouTube. So 1, 2, 3, some stuff that we talked about last week, solving linear equations in one variable. We had to, move x's from one side to the other side and things like that. And that is what we're going to continue working on today. So like I said, only going to be 30 minutes. Thank you for the likes. Amazing. Hey Danielle, hey user, hey Wahoo. These are the 3 problems we're going to start with. Like I said, going to keep it super short. Hopefully everybody's had a good weekend and having a good Labor Day. I hope. Hey Simi. Hey Donna. Hi Cynthia. Hey Debbie. Thank y'all for popping in. Thank you for liking the live. Hey Maths. Hey Chef. Like I said, real quick, how are you doing? Hey Adna, how are you? And thank you. How are you? I know everybody who's taking algebra is probably learning this right now because this is one of the first things that you learn when you take algebra. How are you, Ann? How's it going? Hopefully everybody ate some good, I don't know if everybody eats barbecue or what's y'all's. I didn't even, you know what? I didn't have no barbecue. Nobody grilled today. Nobody told me anything about no good food. Hey, Teresa. So number 1 is 5 over 2 times x is equal to 15. 2x minus 4x. Remember when we're solving linear equations and we always, if it's one variable, we're always trying to get that variable by itself. So how do we get the variable on one side of the equation by itself? Not Fatty LaBelle. Hey, Fatty LaBelle. Number 2 is 12. Is that what I got right down? Yes. Very good, Secret. Number 2 is 12. Perfect. Excellent. Ooh, excuse me. Number 2 is 12. Very, very good. Excellent. Just a little math. Sorry. Hey, Shayla. Hi, Michelle. Hi, Emily. Hey, Son. Oh, Son. Hi. Okay, what about number 2 or number 3? What are y'all thinking? I mean, we already did number 2. Number 1. Hey, Short Baby. What about number 1? Remember, 5/2 times x. If I'm multiplying times 5/2, what would be the opposite of that? We always use inverse operations to get the x by itself. Number 3 is 16. Okay, I got a number. Everybody who agrees with the inverse is 2 over 5. Very good. So I'm going to multiply times 2/5. Perfect. I'm trying to see what I did with my pen. Hi. Number 1 is 6, number 2 is 12, number 3 is negative 9. So I got a different 2, 12, and negative 9. Is that what you said? Or 6? Hi, Raha. Yes, 6, 12, and then I got a negative 9 for the bottom. Negative 2, 6, 12, and negative 9. Thank you for the likes. Very good. 6, 12, and negative 9. All right. Yep. I got 2 people that's on the same page. 6, 12, and negative 9. Very good. Hey, Mr. Thomas. Excellent. 2 is number 12. Yep. So x is equal to 12. We got that number 1 is equal to 6. And we got x here is equal to... I have a couple people. Y'all got number 1 easy, which is good. Multiply by the reciprocal or divide by 5/2, which is the same as multiplying by the reciprocal. And then for that last one, hey, nothing much. So for number 1, you said x is 16, nurse? You said x is 16? For which one, nurse? So for number 1, you have 5/2, x is equal to 15. What we do, remember, we always do the opposite of that. So what we're going to do is multiply by the reciprocal. So we're going to flip it and multiply it, which is dividing fractions. Keep the first one, flip the second one, multiply. So that's exactly what we're doing. We're flipping it, and then we're going to multiply it. This would end up being 10/10x, which reduces down to 1. What you do to one side, you do to the other. Okay, so this is 15 times 2, which is 30/5. And then 30 divided by 5 is equal to 6. So x is equal to 6. And that's how you would solve that one. Just multiply by the reciprocal. Because that's how we divide fractions, is multiplying by the reciprocal. Hey, blessed hands, welcome in. How are you? Does that make sense? Hopefully that makes a little bit more sense. It does? Okay. Yeah, you're very welcome. Absolutely. So I got this last one. I had a couple people answer this last one. Anybody else? Y'all agree? They said x was equal to negative 9. Does everybody agree with that answer? How are we feeling about it? Yeah, Emily, very simple. Raha says negative 9. Perfect. Let's walk through this one real quick. We have 2 minus 4, which is negative 2x, is equal to 12 plus 6, which is 18. Divide both sides by 2, and then negative 2, excuse me, and then x is equal to negative 9. So you want to make sure and take that negative number with, hey, lady. I was wondering, we only going to be out here for 30 minutes. It's real short and sweet today. What's up, ma'am? How are you? Happy Labor Day. You know I'm oop, I don't know how to, oh, I hit the wrong button. Hold on. So we're going to upgrade. Okay, when you jump back up here, I'm going to find your name. And I can add you. Or just request, girl, if you want to get on here. Alright, so we're going to do, still going to be solving linear equations. X is equal to negative 9. Hopefully y'all all got that. So what we're going to do, most of us is pretty comfortable with parentheses. But I just want to double check and make sure that you're comfortable with parentheses. And go from there. So we have 2x plus 1. That's negative 3 plus 7x is equal to 20. So we always start with something easy before we move into something a little bit more difficult so that your brain can say, hey, I know how to do this, right? So we're going to start with that one. We're going to talk about removing the parentheses. What do we do to remove the parentheses? Ma'am, where did you go? Hey, Martha. Girl, Lee, where did you go? Yeah, we do. Oh, there you are. We do distribute. Yep. For some reason, I can't grab your name to invite you. I don't know what's going on. TIMW. So we're going to distribute first to remove the parentheses. Absolutely. I got to blow these comments up. So that's our first thing we're going to do. We got -3 times 2 and then -3 times 1. So -3 times 2 is going to give me what? You said times t or times x? What you trying to say, times x? Okay, I got -6. And then what's the next? Oh, -6x. Yes, very good. So I got -6x. Very good. And then I have -3. And then everything else is just going to drop down. What do I do after this? Very good. Somebody asked me, is it answer 14? Nope. Like terms. Always do like terms. So I have a -6 and I have a +7. And whenever I combine those, that's going to bring me down to what? 1. I'm just going to have 1. Very good. So now I have 1x minus 3 is equal to 20. And my last step to get everything away from the x variable is to, what are we about to do? Add on both sides. So I'm going to add 3 because that's the last number I have left. And x is equal to 23. Perfecto. Everybody got it. Excelente. Very good. Add 3. Y'all are amazing. Very good. Perfect. What happens to these? Nope. Don't have to show the 1 at all. Nope. Never do. I just like to help people see it sometimes. Linear. Oh, hey, Nicole. Welcome back. How are you? Yes. Linear equations are so fun. They definitely are. They are a joy to me, honey. All right. Let's look at another one. We got 4 times 2x minus 3 plus 7 is equal to 3x plus 5. Let's try that one. Hello. Hey. Who is that? Ward Tommy? Systems Mitch, hey, Sweet Peach. It's alright. Oh, like, leave with me, like, depending on the day. Very good. So we're going to distribute that. We have 8x minus 12, and then everything else is going to come down. Plus 7 equals 3x plus 5. Perfect. What's what doing over there? On the other side, what you talking about? Oh, hey, coach. Was it super chill? Yep. I told you. I think it's just, I mean, but that's how mine was, so that's good. It must be a real laid back campus. Thank y'all for liking the live and following. Good, coach. Hopefully you get it. You said what's what doing over there, Lee? Oh, after the equal, stop it. She said, well, what's that doing over there? You know, we just having a little fun, you know. We got to get ready for the, you know. Yeah, we still adding like terms. Yes. Yep. So what is this going to simplify down to? Good job, coach. This right here, we still always combine. We go in the same order every time. We always combine like terms. Always simplify if we can. Always. So now we're going to have 8x. What is that going to be? Minus 5 is equal to 3x plus 5. And look at this as you're still trying to get the terms together on the same side. Okay, now we need to get all of our x's on one side and then all of our numbers on the other side. So if you know what I'm saying? Whenever you switch sides, you switch signs. I don't know what a better way to say it. If you have to switch sides, then you have to switch signs. So, excuse me. So remember, if I switch my side, then my sign of this number is also going to switch. So we're going to minus it, right? So this will be anything. You need to write it vertically, then write it vertically. You know what I'm saying? So now this will be a -3x on this side and a -3x on this side. Well, if I'm combining like terms, that's going to go away. here it'll be 5x minus 5 is equal to 5. So whatever helps you see it better, make sure you do that, okay? I usually stack them though, but just know, like I said, if you're going to the opposite side of the equal sign, then you're going to have the opposite sign, okay? What number was this? 3x. So I'm going to switch to this side. So that means I'm going to have a -3, a -3. That's going to make 5x minus 5 is equal to positive 5. Now what do I need to do? Oh, why is my... Hey, Joel, how are you? I have to stack them to see it. Yes. Yes. Add 5. Perfect. Perfect, everybody. Add 5, add 5. So now 5x is equal to 10, and then x is going to be equal to what? Caddy said candy. Yep, get the x by itself. And we're going to do that by dividing by 5. And when we do that, x is equal to 2. Excellent. Very good. Y'all doing amazing tonight. Very good. Hey, Greg. Welcome in. I'm glad you're enjoying this. Any questions about that? Everybody doing okay? Hey, Jen. Do I? I hope so. I actually didn't have another one of those, but I'm going to put another one up here. I got my book. Let's do one more of those, and then we're going to move on to, like I said, it's short tonight. I got some cleaning I got to do. I got people coming in town tomorrow, so... You going? Yeah, once you understand it, you'll feel... Oh, Greg, really? Awesome. I know, I wish I was your teacher. It would have made it easier, huh? Well, keep coming to the math club, and hopefully you won't hate math anymore, okay? Hopefully you won't hate math anymore. So we got 7 times x minus 3 is equal to negative 6x. Okay, negative 6x. Yeah, things have changed a lot. They definitely have changed a lot. So 7 times x minus 3 is equal to negative 6x. This could go either way, too. I'm 52. Oh, wow, that's nice. That's congratulations. I had somebody, I think, in their late 60s in my class one time. Oh, Ruby, good. This one's going to be short, so I'm going to end up posting it as an actual post. This is the beginner class. Beginner as far as what you mean. Oh, that's it. 7 times x minus 3 is equal to negative 6x. You can solve it? Good. Let's go. I got 7x minus 21. Perfect. 7x minus 21 is equal to negative 6x. And now you just got to be careful. Thank you for the likes. Y'all are so amazing. Thank you. Hey, Cecilia. Now we still have to get x on one side by itself. This one is a little bit different. I know, because it's like, ugh. I don't know if I really want to pull that over there, right? Hey, Miss Cherry. So are we going to move our x's over here? Is that what we're going to do? Because remember, if I'm going to the opposite side, then I need to have the opposite sign. So if this is already, there's not a negative sign in front of it, so we're going to end up having to make it what? Because that means it's positive if there's no negative right here. So instead of us having a positive 7x, we're going to have that be a what? Right. So it needs to become what? So it can move to that side. Instead of positive. Right. So we're going to do minus 7. Negative 21 is equal to negative. More negatives is going to be negative 13x. So if I took away the 6 from the 7, that would have left a 0. Which we could have did that. Remember, Lee, we're adding. We're really like combining. We're combining like terms, okay? We're still combining, okay? So it's like I have a negative 6x and a negative 7x. How many x's do I have? Because we're not multiplying. I don't want to add 6x because then it'll be negative 21 on this side. You can do that, but I prefer to have the 7 on this side so that I don't have to move the 21 in a minute. Because if you move the 21, who is Joe? Hey Joe, how are you? So this is the thing, guys. If we do negative 6 times a negative 7, that would be a positive whatever 42. But since I'm not multiplying these numbers together, I'm combining them. So you lost $6 and then you lost another $7. So how much money did you lose altogether? Okay. So that's only for multiplication and division double negative, unless I'm doing negative 6x minus a negative, you know what I'm saying, 7x, then that'll be addition. But here I'm just saying I have a negative 6. I'm going to take away 7 of those, and now I'm still going to be negative. Thank you. Yeah, pre-cal ain't my lane. Yes, and I will show the other way. I will show the other way. So then you said divide both sides by 13. Perfect. Does that make sense to okay, so now right here that I'm doing division, negative divided by a negative is a positive. Negative divided by a negative is a positive. So this will be a positive 21 over 31. So that's what we have to, the difference is that. Okay? That would be the difference. Does that make sense? So it'll be 21 over 13, because 13 divided by 13 reduces down to a 1, but we don't write the 1. And then 21 divided by negative 13 becomes 21 over 31. Oh, my bad. It was supposed to be, because there's a negative 21 right here, and the negative 21 drops down. I did 7 times negative 3 is negative 21. I subtracted 7 and got negative 13. I brought the negative 21 down, divided both sides by negative 13, and I got 21 over, 13, my bad. Y'all know what I meant. Yeah, I wrote it backwards. 21 over 13. Thank you. I just flipped. Sometimes when you up here, you can't see it. Yes, it is 13. I thought y'all was talking about the 21. I'm like, what? Because even me reading it, I'm like, 13. All I see is a 3 and a 1. Yeah, I know what I meant. It's supposed to be 13. My bad. I'm looking at this, and at this, and at this, and at this. Listen, I be in class, I be like, students, you know what I meant to put right here. I'll show the other way to do it because y'all wanted to see it the other way. So if I have negative 7 times x, what was it? Gotta find the problem. Positive 7. So it's 7 times x minus 3 equals negative 6x. Okay, so the other way, I think Nurse Anessa was trying to solve it. They wanted to move the 6x, and you definitely can do that as well. Most definitely you can move the 6. So let's go ahead and do multiplication. 7x minus 21 is equal to negative 6x. Now, somebody wanted to add the 6x. Okay, so now I'm going to have 13x minus 21 equals, what does that equal? What is it going to equal on this side? It's going to equal 0. Now what do? It'll equal nothing, but you got to put that 0 right there. Yep. And if you don't put the 0, it's going to confuse you. So Charles said we're going to add 21. So now I have 13x is equal to 21. And last step is to, hey, naturally me, divide by 13. X is still equal to 21 over 31. And that's how you would do it, moving the 6. Still, see, I told y'all, listen. I want it to be 31 today. 13. I guess I may be a little bit dyslexic. I don't know. I be wondering if I'm dyslexic sometimes. I may have a tinge. There's nothing to simplify 21 over 13. We can't simplify that one. Now, if it was 20, yeah, we can't simplify that one. I don't have to write it as a mixed number, though. If that's what your instructor wants you to do, I never made my students write it as a mixed number. I prefer not to. But if that's what you want to do, you most definitely can. Right, no more simply. That's what I said, Ibrahim. I'm good on it. All right, Nessa, is that how you wanted to solve it? Oh, wait, that's the second way. She may not be here no more, I don't know. Or they may not be there. You're welcome. So, actually, we moved the 7 first on the last example. I did. The first time we did it, I moved the 7 first, but somebody wanted to move the 6 first, so we did it that way. Because you had to divide both sides by 13 to get x by itself. So 13 divided by 13 is equal to 1. And then you have 21 over 13. You have to get x by itself. So this right here becomes 0. When you do plus 21, you're only left with 13x. You have to divide both sides by 13 since it's being multiplied. And then you get the x by itself. Oh, there go Kelly hooking you up. You like to cancel out the 6x? That makes, as long as you, oh yeah, you most definitely can. Yeah. Some people, sometimes I circle it and mark it out. And then you can also see that it's a 0 too. I just don't be wanting to mix my markers. I like my ink. It just depends. If I got all black on, I will. Alright, somebody gave me a question that they wanted to do. You have to put it back up there. Questions? Are y'all good with this? Okay, I see it. But yeah, that's why. All good, Nate. Cool. All good. Hey, Miss Craig. All good. Perfect. 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 Okay, so we'll I don't know. I saw your name, but I didn't see your name. I'm about to get off here in just a second. We got a couple more questions. 6x minus 4. Times 9x plus 4. Okay, DJ, here you go. So we'll do one more of these. I was gonna do oh, that is so cute. How funny. Ew. But thank you though. Looks weird. Thank you, Kathy. That's so funny. Yeah, so we're going to distribute the -4 and then combine like terms. So if we try to combine like terms, Walkman, what would we combine? Is there anything that we can combine right here? Or would we have to distribute and then combine? Because these are like locked into a cell. They can't get out. Locked up, you can't let me out. Oh, you can't. Yeah, so this right here is being guarded by -4, and 6x cannot get in there until -4 breaks them out. Yeah. So we got to distribute first. So we got -4 times 9x. So we got 6x, 4 times 9 is going to give me a negative, because it's a -4 times 9. So then that's going to give me what? -36. Then I have a negative 4 times positive 4. So that's going to give me negative, hey, N, negative 16. You made it. And look, I'm finna get, and I'm finna get off of here. I'm finna get off of here. You made it. You made it. I'm glad you made it. How are you? Did you have a good Labor Day? Okay, so now we can combine like terms. So 6x minus 36x is what? Hey, Tania. Hey, Minnie. So now you got negative 30 minus 16. And that's as far as we can go because it's not equal to anything. So this is more so just like simplifying because we did negative 4 times a positive 4 and we got a negative 16. So this is more just kind of like, so Nate, there's nothing to divide because the only time we do that is if we have an equal sign. Yeah, I know. So it's just simplifying. Someone requested this problem. It's not one, Charles. Charles, if it does not have an equal sign, it is not an equation. It's an expression. It's an expression. Kayla, I actually have the box method on my YouTube because we're not there yet in this section, but I do have that. It may be on here too. It may scroll down a little bit, look for factor and polynomials, but I definitely did do have that uploaded. Hey, Mr. Perez. So we'll do an equation now since we did the expression. Let's do another equation. I was going to get into fractions, but we won't tonight. So let's this be our last one. Y'all ready? Okay. Here we go. Alright, so we'll end on this one. It's not too stank. It is. So this one is going to have a different type of solution. What's ODE? What's that? I got to move my hair out the way. What's ODE? Yes, basic algebra. Oh, you're welcome. Glad I could help you. Very good. So we're going to distribute first. So we got negative 2 and 5. So this is negative 2x minus 10 plus 10 is equal to, distribute over here, negative 3x minus 6 plus x. Now what? So, Mr. Perez, we're not ordinary different. Oh, I've never even heard of that. See, sorry, Ashy. Oh, no. So, FOIL would be combined like terms. Yep. FOIL would be if we had two parentheses and we're multiplying polynomials. Then we would use the FOIL method. So, we got this right here, which would give me negative 2x is equal to, combined like terms over here. I got negative 3, positive. That'll be negative 2x minus 6. Is that what I got? Oh, I'm glad you like it. Add 2x on both sides. Oh my goodness, thank you. I'm going to move this 2x over here. And so that's going to end up giving me 0 is equal to negative 6. Is that a true statement? Does that work? Hey, Scorpio. Hey, Scorpio. No solution. X is... Oh, good, Mr. Perez. Thank you, smiles and hearts. No solution. Hey, sweet. No solution. Yes. Oh, are you teaching equations tomorrow, Emily? Fun. I figured everybody was around this part. -2 can be equal. Yep. Yep. So what we call this is no solution. And sometimes you will have those problems. That's why it's always important to put the 0 on the side whenever you cancel out all the terms. You have to put that 0 there, because then you'll be like, a lot of students, I see them put x is equal to -6. And I'm like, no, all your x's canceled out, so you don't have any x's left. And someone said, how did we get -2? Well, if I lost $3 and I found 1, I'm still in the hole. How many dollars? -2. You forgot Labor Day. Nope, I'm done. Multiplying fractions, easy as pie. Is that how it is? How does the song go? Do you teach them a song to go with it? Oh, multiplying fractions, no problem. Top times the top, bottom times the bottom. That's what I used to teach sing to my chillos. Geometry honors, congratulations. Not true, not true. 6th grade math, oh yeah, you gotta sing to them. You in your 30s and still feel this is useless, but you're doing great. To each his own. I think it builds critical thinking skills and logical reasoning skills, which a lot of our students don't have today. They don't know how to follow directions. Helps follow directions. Oh, multiply the denominator. Yes, multiplying problem, fractions, top times the top, bottom times bottom. Hey, Macarena. Ah! Oh, your son is 8 and you need help. Oh, he's in elementary. Yeah, you gotta make it fun for him. Oh, good. Well, come back tomorrow. We get on. I'm usually here Monday through Thursday for me. I gotta go clean up now and get ready for tomorrow myself. But I'm usually on Monday through Thursday. Like, Lee, are you still in here? Monday through Thursday, 8 o'clock. May change soon, just because school has started. Area of the sphere, because I got everything right on my placement test with that. Can you DM me and tell me that goal, and I'll make a video about it. I have some examples on my YouTube page. You can go look at. Glad is helpful. I'm prepping for the T's. Oh, wow, Walkman. Well, hey, YouTube, it is. I'm in Texas, so CST time. I teach developmental math, pre-algebra, beginning algebra. I tutor. I'm mostly a personal tutor. Like, I start a new job tomorrow. Oh, animal science. Yeah, you got to do that. Yep, Mr. Perez, I made a whole little rap about it. Parentheses, exponents, multiply, divide. Whichever comes first from my left to my right. Add or subtract, same rules apply. Whatever comes first from my left to my right. True blue, write it out, boom, ooh. I have to think about living, hey, single. It's just the answer. Well, thank you. I appreciate that. Thank you. Hopefully I like it, tutoring. I appreciate that. Thank you so much. Very, very much. I hope I have fun. You're welcome, Go. I don't have a whole lot. I do tutor virtually. I do. You teach Algebra 1 in Dallas? Ooh, congrats. You better go ahead, Miss Sweet. You are much needed. That's awesome. I wish I'd have took my high school test. I didn't. I just took my 4 through 8 test. I'm SPED certified in EC through 6 and then Math 4 through 8. But I do tutor virtually. Look on my link in my bio. It has my Wyzant link on there where you can sign up for tutoring, or you can just message me and then we can set something up. Elementary, I think you said your son was 8 though. There may be somebody better. I mean, I could help him. It's just the middle. Elementary math is very different. Very, very different. Well, thank y'all for sharing the live. Yeah, we'll be back our usual. Like I said, we usually do. If you missed everything, we getting ready to go. Hey, L Dude. Hey, Shanna. Fractions was your favorite part of math? I enjoy them too. This Texas. Oh, welcome. I think I saw your name. A Virgo in Texas. How funny. Love for keeps. Hey. Thank y'all for the likes. Y'all are really amazing. I very much appreciate it. It keeps me motivated. It keeps me going. Keeps me wanting to come back and teach math because I know some people don't like it. Roscoe, yes. I'm glad you stopped by, Mr. Perez. Come back anytime. Mississippi, oh, you're from the SIP. MISSI. Yes, thank y'all so much for tuning in. Hopefully you all come back tomorrow or send somebody you know. I got some people on the East Coast, but they not here tonight. I usually have people from the East Coast in here, but they not in tonight. What about the high school or advanced algebra? Mom. The one she was in here before? Don't hate it, Siona. You just don't feel comfortable with it yet. That's why you don't like it. You'll like it once you get comfortable with it. You need to keep coming back to Math Club because we have a good time here. We make math fun, okay? So you need to come back. Thank you for liking the live, y'all. Hey, Autumn. Y'all are so good. Yep. I'm taking class tomorrow and working. Oh, Alex. Oh, I like Alex. I'm actually, I've been doing research. Well, I did a assignment where I had to do some research on Alex. I like it. I like it. Hey, Fatima. Yes. That's what they use in the district I sub at. They use Alex. It'll be tomorrow. So for you, it'll be at 9 o'clock because it's 8 o'clock. I start at 8 o'clock Central Time, so 9 o'clock East Coast Time. I do M&M. I do it Monday through Thursday usually, unless something pops up, then I don't. But I'm usually here Monday. I got one earring in. I'm an earring certain. But yeah, Monday through Thursday, 8 o'clock, usually until 9. I've never used Carnegie. I've never heard of it either. I know Imagine, was it not Imagine Math? We use Envision. I don't know what they use. But I taught in like the North Dallas area. I've taught in Garland, Grand Prairie. I've taught in Denton, Louisville. Not Grand Prairie, Garland, downtown Dallas. But we never used Carnegie though. I don't even recall what it was that we used. I don't even recall what it was. Is that what y'all use at Dallas? Thank y'all for popping in, all 74 y'all. Come back tomorrow. Hopefully we can do some more math. I'm about to get ready to go map. Oh, is it horrible? Is it not good? Is it not a good curriculum? Let me look it up. It's not good curriculum? Thank y'all for stopping by, Carna. All I think about is Carnegie Hall. Good night, love for keeps. Have a good night. Thank you, Fatima. Oh yeah, I ain't never heard of that. I've never heard of that. Look, let me see what their job's looking like though. Hey, Keon. Welcome in. I am going to, so I'm going to get out, so that, I think I can shorten it. I'm going to actually upload this live that we did with all of I don't edit it. When I upload it, it's just me messing up and everything. You just joined on Eminem. What you just joined? You talking about on the live? I mean, my page. Oh, user, you did. We getting off of here. It's Labor Day. I know everybody got work tomorrow, school tomorrow. It's been a long weekend. Oh, yes. I know, and I'm so glad you came, Eminem. I'm so glad you came. Very much so. Very much so. Thank y'all for the likes. Happy Labor Day to you. If you get on tomorrow, I should be on tomorrow. My schedule is about to change, though. But hopefully, I got some one-on-one tutoring somebody requested, so I'm not sure what it's about to look like. But as long as I can be on here at 8 o'clock with you all, if you have questions, you can send them to me. 8 o'clock p.m. Central Standard Time, because I got some people on the East Coast. So 8 o'clock Central Time, I'm in Texas, Monday through Thursday, for as long as I can. You welcome, Lee. I'll see you then. It's so fun. I didn't get to hear you today. I didn't talk to you today. It's weird. Hey, Ebony. So yeah, we'll be back tomorrow though. Hey Victor. I know it. I know it. You are so welcome. I get it. That's why I was like, hey, we're just gonna try to keep it short tonight because I know school starts tomorrow. We got stuff to do. Well, y'all have a good night in. Hopefully you make it tomorrow, not 8 o'clock. You got your notifications on? Do you have on your notifications? I think they said hit the bell. So you can be on here with us. Oh, my son. Yep, my son just got home too, y'all. So you gonna be here? Okay. I'm about to go make some rice or something for dinner. All right, well, I will see you tomorrow then, ma'am. Hey, Ken from Texas. I don't know who is liking the live. All I see is these little hearts. Y'all making my heart go boop, 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 boop. Well, let me jump up off of here, y'all. Thank you so much for stopping by. I greatly appreciate it. And I'm so, like I said, grateful that y'all spent a little bit of time with me this evening. Of course, and talking about math of all things. Like, for real. But y'all be blessed and have a great evening. Bye-bye. Happy Labor Day.